In this guide, I'm going to be showing you how you can do a finishing move here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But to perform a finishing move here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7, you are going to need to sneak behind your enemy. After doing so, all you really have to go ahead and do is just hold down your melee button, which depending on your device might be something different. Typically, this is going to be B, circle, or pressing the right stick depending on your controller. You can also double tap your melee button in order to go ahead and pull out. You can also double tap your melee button to grab the enemy and use them as a body shield. But essentially, go ahead and just... This dude ran away from me. But essentially, just run behind them and hold down your melee button. Let's see if we can get him right here. And you'll see a whole option for finishing move when you're doing that. As you can see, we just performed it just like so. You can also swap or disable the inputs for finishing moves and body shields. To do this, open up your settings, and then go ahead and select controller or keyboard and mouse, depending on what you're actually using. In my case, I'm using keyboard and mouse. Switch over to the combat tab right here, and you're going to see these options just like so. You could prioritize body shield. You could do body shield only, finishing move only. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.